There's a certain thing that is called embed in web design that makes your website look a little bit nicer. It also keeps people on your website so they're not going out. So if you want them to watch a video or like even this Google document, they would get out of your website so they click off of it. But this is an embed. This is a YouTube video that's been embedded, and this is a Google document that's embedded. You can also do it with the basically the audio file that I used in a previous example. All I have to do is get that shareable link. It's copied. Now I go into my website on the page that I want it on, and I double click embed, and all I have to do is paste that URL, and it will show a preview of what it's going to look like. This one does not have a preview. And then I say okay. So basically this is an audio file that people can click on it. I could also put some stuff above it. I could double click, put a text file that's like, listen to these notes from our meeting, and then put it right on top of it. I could change text style and everything like that. If I want to embed a YouTube video, it's almost easier to just go to YouTube here to like insert a YouTube video, but you can also use that embed feature as well. So you can look for a video, select the video that you want, and then it's just going to embed it. I could also go to the YouTube site, get the link, copy it, go back here, double click, go to embed, and just paste it. And then it'll insert it that way. So there's two ways of doing that.